Siguro nakaganito para hindi nakaharang. Nakaupo kasi ako dito eh. Let's give some reps. Bigat pala. Dito. So nice here. Look. Sobrang payapa. Preskong hangin. Walang sasakyan na malapit, diba? Kasama mo yung anak mo dito. He or she can play. See? Oh, look. Meron pang slides. Meron pang seesaw na nakakotse. See? Ito, meron pang ganito, pang abs oh. Pang abs to, dude. Tama. Diba? Tuwa natin ha. Ayan o. Diba? Diba? Ang sarap. Merong ganon. Ito. Para sa naman to? Pang row. Pang row siguro to. Kaya dito. Uy! Uy! Hindi ko alam eh. Ito. Para saan to? Pang season ng bata. Oh. Para safe. Maliit lang. And ayan, may court. May volleyball court. Kaya ako natambay dito kasi meron akong alaala dito ng pinsan ko na yumao na. Nag-volleyball kami dito. And sakto, naglakad-lakad ako sa village. Nakapunta ako sa back gate, sa Taytay Gate. And balik na ako sa bahay. Naisipan kong huminto dito para alam mo yan, magmuni-muni, mag-isip-isip. Meron kasi ako naiisip, guys. I'm going to build a company. A company na ang purpose is to serve humanity. All of its products are 100% human grade. Hindi siya masama. Ano yan? Para talaga sa tao. So, ang lalabas doon is everything is natural. From clothes, 100% cotton. From foods, everything is natural, you know. Yung mga animals, free roaming, kinakain nila kung ano talaga yung food for them. And ayun, naturally raised na foods, animals, plants, vegetables, fruits, everything will be 100% human grade. So ayun yung naiisip ko na company. And that's so big, diba? Sabihin nyo kung gagawin ko lahat yun, paano na lang. So sisimulan natin sa maliit. I'm going to build a clothing brand first. That is called Humanity. HUMAN1TY. Humanity. To unite all humanity. To serve the earth the way it's supposed to be. Diba? Kung naniniwala ka sa Diyos, naniniwala ka na God created us to enjoy this earth, to take care of it, to explore, to build, to create, to use all its resources na maayos. Diba? Don't overconsume. Produce more than what you consume. Diba? Use it with good intention, and ayun. So for me, I think that's my purpose in this life, to bring the earth the way it's supposed to be. Na kasi isipin nyo guys, kung tayong lahat ng tao ay maayos, kung lahat good intentions, 'di ba? You can go anywhere in the world without you fearing na baka masaktan ka, baka mapatay ka, baka kung anong gawin sa'yo, baka madisgrasya ka sa kagagawan ng kapwa nating tao. Diba? Kasi let's be real, pumunta ka nga lang sa lugar na alam nating magulo, diba? Hindi ka na maka-explore. So syempre there are all kinds of perspective. Merong ibang tao na sasabihin imposible. Merong mga tao na syempre mag-a-agree kasi sino ba namang may ayaw sa mundo na maayos, 'di ba? Na lahat ng maayos, malinis, well taken care, everyone is just happy, everyone has good intention, everyone is so helpful. Alam mo yun? Kasi with our resources right now and its technology, endless na yung possibility for everything for machineries, technologies, sa kuryente na lang, solar, di ba? Marami pa akong kailangan na aralin. What I have is some knowledge about how to take care of ourselves, like feeding it with nutritious food, natural food, exercise, study, and always have good intentions, then God will bless us for sure, because God made us like Him. So if we take care of ourselves, we are taking care of Him. So yun, shinare ko lang kung ano yung company na naiisip ko and its own products, kung ano yung mga balak kong gawin. So ayun, sabi ko nga, diba, magsisimula tayo sa t-shirt. So kung umabot ka dito, ina-offer ko nga pala yung t-shirt ko for only 500 pesos. Mag-pre-order ka na para sa first release siguradong kasama ka sa magkakaroon. So sigurado to na 100% cotton. Maghanap tayo ng magandang sukat, siguro yung masikip sa leeg para medyo premium style, di ba? Masikip sa leeg, maapal, 100% cotton. Tapos meron dito na Humanity, embroidered siya na humanity dito. So yun yung una kong idea, di ba? And let's see where it goes. Kasi it takes time to build a great company. So one step at a time. T-shirt muna, clothing muna, so we can spread the movement of, you know, spread the movement of humanity with good intentions. Ayusin ko pa lahat. I just started with what I have. So what I have right now is a good environment to show you guys of how good life can be if we just make sure na kasi isipin nyo guys, kung may good intention ang lahat ng tao, yung government natin may good intention, lahat ng namumuno may good intention, just imagine how the world would be, diba? So yun. Also, I'm practicing how to speak pa, diba? Everything is all about practice, execution. You can't be perfect without execution. You have to execute with what you have, with what knowledge you got, with how you know. So, yun. So, yun nga pala guys ha. Kung interested kayo sa t-shirt and sa movement natin na good intention to all humanity, bili na kayo ng t-shirt, mag-pre-order na kayo. Message na lang kayo kung saan nyo mapanood to. It's either kung saan platform nyo mapanood. Message nyo yung page ko, Kaloy the Explorer. Well, titignan ko pa kung ano yung ano, or ano ba maganda. Yung sa vlogging page ko, no? Kasi yung humanity itself is the company so it should be strictly about the company itself. So since ako yung kausap nyo ngayon, sige, sa page ko na lang, Kaloy the Explorer. So we will be exploring the world. So come and join me guys. Peace. Have a good day y'all. Always keep safe. Malagaan nyo mabuti ang sarili nyo guys. Aralin nyo kung paano. Okay? Always pray for the right wisdom. The right wisdom, okay? Make sure to include the right wisdom. Yung totoo lang tayo dito guys. So yun. Ingat kayo guys. Love you all. Bye bye.